How to add text to photo in PickU. Want to turn your photo into a meme, quote post, or Insta story? Let's add text to your photo in PickU. Fun and fast. Open the PickU app and tap the plus button and choose the middle one. Choose the photo from your gallery or take a new one on the spot. Once your photo load, look for the text or T icon or A icon. That's the one. Tap it. Tap add text. It could be a name, a code, or something totally silly. For example, too cool for filters. Type in and hit done, the check mark. PickU give tons of options, change font, pick a text color or a shadow, resize, rotate, drag it anywhere on the photo. Also, you can add multiple text layer if you want title, subtitle, or labels. Just tap the text tool again. Happy with design? Tap save and boom. Your photo is now captioned, ready, and social media approved. And that's it. You just level up your photo with text. No fancy app required. If this helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more fun editing tips. See you in the next one.